Check this out, main level living plus a sweeping view right here in Forest Heights. This home puts everything you need right on the main floor, including the primary bedroom. And the sunsets from up here are pretty spectacular. Step inside to a welcoming vaulted entry that is just off of the airy living room with architectural windows. From there, you'll find a spacious dining room with a built-in buffet that's just perfect for gatherings. The remodeled kitchen is rich in detail with upgraded finishes and plenty of space to cook and entertain. And just off the kitchen is a bright nook and a family room with a cozy fireplace. This is where the west-facing views start to steal the show. The large main floor primary suite also takes in those views, and the absolutely gorgeous remodeled bath has all the bells and whistles, with a large zero-threshold rain shower and a modern soaking tub that makes every day feel luxurious. A second bedroom and full bath are also on this level, plus the beautiful laundry room that is generously sized and super functional. Downstairs, the home really stretches out with 2 more bedrooms, another full bath, and a huge rec room that opens to the back deck. The side entry could allow for the lower level to be a separate living area or rental. This home is abundant with storage, so you'll have to be careful not to fill it all up. If you love nature and a strong sense of community, you'll love living in Forest Heights. With miles of walking trails, private parks, and planned events for all ages, it's one of the most desirable and well-maintained neighborhoods in the Portland metro area. Just minutes from downtown, Nike and Intel in the sought-after Lincoln High School district. Thank you for visiting this very special home with me today. If you'd like more information or would like to see it in person, please reach out. I'm Julie Williams, Principal Broker with Elite Real Estate.